Production is on schedule, but why do we always feel behind? Missed tasks, miscommunication, delayed updates. If you're in manufacturing, this might sound familiar. For this manufacturing firm, daily planning was reactive. Teams managed updates over WhatsApp and spreadsheets. Managers lacked real-time visibility and productivity. It was just a gut feeling. Before we show you the transformation, do us a quick favor. Hit that like button if you're in the manufacturing space. Subscribe for weekly business automation tips. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. Let's keep growing together. Zoho Projects brought structure with visual timelines. Teams knew their deadlines. Task owners were accountable, and with every update logged, managers could see progress instantly. This manufacturer struggled with missed handovers and project delays. After Zoho Projects, tasks were visible, timelines were met early, and productivity jumped by 28%. They didn't just use Zoho, they used it smartly. Task dependencies prevented bottlenecks. Timesheet logs gave true productivity data. Gantt charts aligned teams, and workload views avoided burnout. Productivity is no longer a guess. Managers now rely on dashboards that show actual task progress, team capacity, and project health. No more surprises, just decisions based on data. From the floor to the office, the shift was clear. Teams stopped chasing tasks, meetings got shorter and sharper, and the best part, accountability went up, stress went down. If you're managing teams across shifts, suppliers, or complex tasks, Zoho Projects brings the coordination you've been missing. It's not about more work, it's about working smarter. You've just seen how Zoho Projects transformed real operations. Want the same for your business? Book a free walkthrough with our team at Zentegra or get started with a custom setup designed around your workflow. And don't forget to subscribe for more real stories like this.